Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Google AI Mode. Now, the first thing I want to mention to you is that Google AI Mode not only works with Google Chrome, it works with whichever browser that you have. As long as you go to google.com and your browser, then you will be able to use Google AI Mode. So type in google.com if it's not set as your default browser, and you will find towards the right hand side that says AI Mode. You click on that and it's going to take you into Google AI Mode. No, the interface is pretty easy and pretty simple. It's built right into Google. And here you have the search right here. Here you have the voice. So you have the microphone. You can say whatever you want and search for whatever you want. On the left hand side, you have a plus. You can search using files. You can use AI with images and with files. So you can upload PDF, docs file, whatever it is, right? On the left hand side as well, you have the home button. So you can always go back home to Google if you need to. You have the new chat button right here. So you can always create new chats if you're in different chats. Then you have the AI history. This is where you'll be able to find your history here. And if you want to even create new chats from here, you can do it as well. If you want to remove certain chats as well, you can do it as well. So you can click the three dots and you can even share or delete the chat if you want to delete your chat. On the upper right, it works like your Google account. So you have your Google Apps right here that you can basically kind of quickly access. So if I want to access, for example, Google Maps, I can click on that and it's going to take me right over to Google Maps. Let me go back. And so you also have your Google account right here that it shows all the details for your Google account, right? It is as easy as that. And so, yeah, basically that's it, guys. That's the basic interface of the Google AI Mood. You can use it to ask whatever you want. You can say whatever you want. So I'm gonna just say, for example, what is today's what is today's date, and it basically gonna give me all the information that I need. And yeah, you can just basically work with the AI, ask whatever it is that you need. I've created previous tutorials showing you how you can use it to search for products, how you can upload images and all those good stuff. So you can attach images if you want to, basically whatever it is that you want, and you can start. You can ask it whatever you need, right? But that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple. That's how you go ahead and use a Google AI Mode.